The club is up, we're ready to play. We have a plan, and we're going to make it a reality. He often takes pictures with his digital camera. The art bee he calls himself. The artist's name is inspired by a headline in an old grunt concertabis. He also hangs an old photograph of a farmhouse with a thatched roof and a windbreak. On the wall in the living room of the little yellow townhouse, facing the road on one side and overlooking fields and flocks of seagulls on the other. He's not much of a city person. I sold one. That's what's hanging there. I just got to borrow it again. But you might not be able to read them. I'm a bit dyslexic.